Come on, go ahead and tell him, baby.
I was in the court.
Okay, yeah, I already
He
knew
didn't
that.
let you finish.
Let me put some pants on.
All right, go ahead, open the door.
What you say? Look, he didn't let him finish doing it. You know, I said, let him tell us coming. What did he do? Boom, right? 2 seconds later. Hold on, what did he say he was doing? Did he say I already knew you was coming? Let me put some pants on. If you knew I was coming, why you ain't got no pants on, sir? What?
Court.
Okay, yeah, I already knew that was coming. Let me put some pants on.
All right, go ahead, open the door for me.
Okay.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fuush. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. Today is Sunday. Hope you're doing great. I hope you woke up on 10 on this Sunday. That's what I'm really praying for, you feel me? Because I'm up on 10. I'm drinking spring water with chia seeds in it. I'm talking to my people. I'm interacting with you guys. I'm on Twitch with you guys. We selling merch together. We making merch together. We just have a great community, like one of the best on YouTube. I don't care how many subscribers somebody got. If they got 1 million, 10 million, I don't care if you Mr. Beastry. Ain't no community like our community because it's real, it's tapped in. Ain't no fakery. All them other people don't respond back to their people. The people don't talk back to the. It's just a whole lot of chaos in the comment section for us. Positive vibes, positive energy, positive affirmations. We know our self-worth. We don't let people take advantage of us. We hold ourselves accountable, and we go through to get through it. They're not doing what we're doing, okay? Shout out to my people. I hope you're having a great day. Like I said, I'm on 10, so I'm having a great day. We're about to tap into a video that my people keep sending me, Mr. Penn's videos, because he hasn't been on YouTube in over a month, okay? He's living his life, which he's, you know, he does this sometimes, and he comes back, and he's going to drop some banger for you guys. I already know you guys are going to be waiting for it to drop. When he do, you guys are going to shoot me videos like crazy. Mr. Penn uploaded. I'm ready for it, okay? Until then, you guys are sending me backlogs videos that we haven't touched on yet, so that's what we're going to tap in today. And this one is eviction process. Just say no. Okay, just say no. Say no to drugs, say no to what? Evictions? I don't know, but we're going to find out. I'm going to leave 3 links down in the first pinned comment section below. Make sure you tap in all 3 of those. And we got Fuush Nigga Vloggeries, okay? Go tap into the Fuush Nigga Vloggery channel, okay? We put our first vlog back up for the first time in 5 months, and we have another one probably going to be dropping either today or tomorrow. We're back on our vlogs. It gives you a little idea of what I do outside of YouTube, hanging with family, hanging with friends. You know, you guys know I love my cars, my clothes, and my shoes. I love my cars. So you guys gonna see me buying cars, fixing on cars, putting shit in cars, on cars. I'm just a car guy to the core, okay? So make sure you tap into the Fuush Nigga Vloggers. Go check that vlog out and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, before we get into this video, you know we gotta check on our people's memories and make sure our mental's straight, because that's the #1 thing that goes bad. And with this world, the way the world's going on right now, people can't handle life. Shit is too high. Groceries, car notes, insurance. People are losing their shit. So we gotta make sure we stay tapped in so we're not on one of these videos, okay? And we just can't have that, okay? So get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let me know how you're doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. And I'm gonna say this one time: I never was a plant person until probably 2 years ago. Okay, go buy you a bunch of plants. It's gonna make you happy. It's gonna put fresh air in the house, and when spring comes, they're gonna start sprouting. Go fill your living room up with plants. I like it because it makes me feel like I'm walking to a rainforest, and I like rainforest. This is a suggestion. I mean, I'm Lowe's. I live at Lowe's. They know me. I got a Lowe's business card. You ain't got to listen to me, though, but I'm telling you, it's going to raise your meepers up, okay? With that being said, Mr. Penn, what you got for us, baby? Come on, go ahead and tell him, baby.
I was in the court.
Okay, yeah, I already knew
He didn't let you finish.
Let me put some pants on.
All right, go ahead, open the door.
What did you say? Look, he didn't let him finish doing it. You know, I said, let him tell us coming. What did he do? Boom, right? 2 seconds later. Hold on, what did he say he was doing? Did he say I already knew you was coming? Let me put some pants on. If you knew I was coming, why you ain't got no pants on, sir? What?
Court.
Okay, yeah, I already knew that was coming. Let me put some pants on.
All right, go ahead, open the door for me.
Okay.
Make it make sense, sir.
All right, go ahead and get your pants on.
Sound like look like you was sleeping, sir. You know shit was coming. blinds, the windows is fucked up. The AC is hanging at more than 3/4 out the window like it's about to fall on the snap of the fingers. Y'all all sleeping in the living room? What y'all doing, baby?
You ain't got no bed. You ain't get no bed.
Well, it's dark as hell in there.
You ain't put nothing together. I told you.
No, I'm talking about I knew you was coming. Sir, if you don't shut the fuck up, you in there telling somebody, I told you they was coming today. I told you. How the fuck shut your ass up? You there trying to play the blame game. Listen to what he's saying. He in there telling, it looked like it's another woman sitting down in the recliner. I told you it was coming today. Man, shut your ass, you lying. You the fucking man of the house. You're supposed to take full accountability, and he wouldn't even be coming there if you was the man of the house taking care of your rent and paying your bills, sir. So you get no pass. Shut the fuck up. Listen to what he's saying to this, I believe it's to a woman.
You ain't got no bed. You ain't get no bed clothes and like that. You ain't put nothing together. I told you. You probably here till today.
Yeah, all right, sir.
Told you.
You know, your goddamn long times I don't talk about. I told you.
You got lights in here?
Damn, it's a mess in
Lights
there.
off?
Yeah, they been off the flat out here long. Tell her to get up. She don't think. Ain't crazy. I think we had one day. He'll get the other no clothes.
Bro, y'all in there with no lights on, no gas, no electric. Just let them there laid in the goddamn living room like bums.
And you can't be going to sleep.
The fuck?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna need you to step on outside.
Sorry.
I'm gonna need you to step outside.
Get what you need, the shoe, whatever you got.
I ain't gotta get nothing.
You too, she,
No, I got it.
She don't believe it, though.
How much you don't need to get nothing? He said, get your shoes. You said, I don't need to get nothing. Now you putting your shoes on.
I told you.
Hey, what? Hey, what y'all was in there doing, man? You in there trying to hide the meat without one bill being paid.
No, ain't out
Hey, you ain't play with your shit.
Shit. Man, we gonna have you
Oh, look at that shit.
Right. You said I'm talking. I'm sorry.
Bro, you got a
here.
curtain
I'm
up
gonna get
there
this
with
off
no
this seal right
rod?
here because I'm gonna go ahead and pull this curtain down.
You got a curtain on with there, no
Any little stuff
rod.
you need right there.
And shit.
Go ahead and pull that off.
God, brother. That shit's just nailed up there, huh? Yes, it's just hanging on nails. Blinds toe up to fucking
Yeah,
head.
take
Like,
them,
you ain't,
take them both
sir,
down.
what I'm confused
sir.
about, y'all ain't got no electric. Y'all laying up in the living room, total darkness, when the motherfucking sun is shining, baby. God trying to tell you something. Get up. He's on the way. He's coming, Mr. Penn. Officer of the court. Y'all didn't want to listen. Look, you open the blinds like, oh, shit. Because you laying up in total darkness with no rent, no bills paid, sir. All you got to do is open the blinds. Anyway.
There you go.
It's a little ass place, boy. Is it even got a bedroom in that motherfucker? Oh, look. Oh, y'all got electric. Y'all got the shit for the heat on in there. Oh, that's an old school type way. I know about that type of way. Damn. Not as an adult, I don't, though, but shh. Well, y'all got gas. That's for damn sure. Oh, there's a bedroom. Oh, my God. Y'all lay up in the living room, the bed in there.
Oh, she the one busting the window.
Excuse me?
So who bust the windows?
We got on investigation in court property.
She said, excuse me.
It's under investigation.
Yes, sir.
Who you suspect of it?
Do I suspect of it? Predators?
Quit acting crazy.
Who?
Sorry, man.
Lady, you moving a little bit too fast to me. You kind of shifty in your movements type.
I got one more day. Probably.
The toilet still work? That motherfucker filled up to the brimmery.
Told you.
So this must be said. The title said, "Just say no." It must be just say no to drugs. This got to be it. They must. The fuck is that? What is that? Is that metal shavings for a pipe? Y'all in there smoking it? Y'all got sick. How y'all paying for all this shit and ain't paid the rent, baby? Like what? No reason to be living like this, even if you don't got no money. You keep your house clean. Yeah, get that. Because what is that? Just say no to the druggeries. Yeah, and that spat's in there whipping that motherfucker up, boy. Y'all can go sell some of this shit and pay your rent? Just nasty. For no damn reason. Oh my God, bro. I wouldn't touch shit in that motherfucking house. I ain't gonna lie to you. Mother got brooms and mops in there and they swept her mop. Motherfucker broom look like a bewitched broom. Like motherfucker been flying on it. Mr. Penn, turn that shit off, man. Before some shit catch on fire, bro. They got that motherfucker full blastery. Sink full of dishes. No hot water, no electric. No toilet. No, there ain't that shit in the toilet. Literally.
Right.
That motherfucker like it's about 600, 500 square feet. I mean, clothes everywhere. Probably had the same shit on for the last 3 months. I ain't just got clothes just to have them.
Well, it's gonna go out here in the parking space, so you still be able to get to it.
Hey Mario, get it your ass in here, make it this shit out here. I need this done in about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, you ain't got you a mountain bike. Why they always got mountain bikes and dogs and you know what I'm saying? But at least I don't see no holes in the walls and nothing like that. I think at least I can say that. Wait. You said, "Come here, wank."
What's happening, man? Bro. Outside. Supply shit outside. What this motherfucker do? I told him cook away. There ain't shit back there, man. You know, change that. Okay, right, bags.
Yeah. But as long as you grab the last of this stuff and go ahead and step out for me.
Yes, okay.
What the fuck you, bro? Is that what are you stepping on?
Boots.
I hope the workers, I hope y'all got gloves on. Y'all should have masks on, bro. Y'all see what that condition of that house is.
Yes, dude.
All right.
Oh yeah, they didn't clear that motherfucker out quickly. 400 square feet, you know what I'm saying? I might see one hole in the wall look like it's patched up. Yeah, it looked like something.
Oops.
Dang. Bro,
Where you get all that stuff from, I wonder.
Is that KY jelly?
Or you should, bro.
They not gonna take that shit. It probably ain't even theirs. They not coming back to get that. They don't got nowhere to take it, and they on bikes. They got no cars, nothing. Think they got money for a U-Haul? Probably not. Most likely not. Not. You know what I'm saying? Crazy, bro.
all them down the street.
Right.
Guess who had to come get it up?
You.
You can see the windows is missing. Like, what the? Bro, where is this place at? I know it's Memphis, but like, make sure y'all stay away from these damn apartment complexes. Like they cost about $400. If they charge you anything more than that, that's a crime in itself. Ain't no way somebody should be paying $900, $1,000, nothing. This $450 off the back. Remember the apartment door number 7. Steer clear if you're in Memphis. They got packaging all on the ceiling. Hey, before y'all leave, somebody needs to vacuum. I need to see that carpet looking a little bit better. It's messing with my eyes. I like the lines in the carpet when you vacuum. I don't know why I like it. It's like when you cut the grass and leave lines in there. And you know what I'm saying? I like that type. Somebody needs to vacuum, baby.
We can always come back tomorrow and get you this stuff.
Yeah, you ain't got to worry about that.
Get you fix the furniture stuff out here.
The only thing I'm really for the eviction is just the furniture, really. Get that out.
See all that liquor on top of the refrigerator? You know what they were doing with their money?
Yeah.
And on the next episode of Final Notice with Othniel Penn.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
I got my ride and stuff on the way coming.
So who are you?
The rest of the stuff. I'm the aunt.
Okay. Well, so y'all didn't say she was here, but
You're not supposed to talk to them. They minors.
to come on to the door when they first got here.
I'm in the bathroom. You want me to come out with boo-boo on my
Yes,
tail?
ma'am.
And
See, some places I go to when I get there it's
motherfuckers like
vacant.
us that love to make your job harder.
It ain't hard for me, man.
Man, I'm gonna show you what's hard. I'm about to
talking-
go take a shit in there in the middle of the floor.
Yes, you sound stupid. We did that video. Make sure you go tap into that video. They were they were talking raunchy type. But that's how the video ended. Golly. Shout out to Mr. Penn. Mr. Penn, always respectable, always courteous, always does shit the right way. Don't really get into no tip-tap with your back and forth type shittery. You know what I'm saying? And he just does his job and get the fuck on. Like some of these people, listen, do your job, get in and get the fuck out. That's what I do at my job. You ain't got time back and forth. What the fuck for? I'm on to the next one. I got 3 evictions today. What the fuck I'm going back and forth with you for? You need to go get your U-Haul and go find your next place. Why you sitting there getting mad at me? I did not pay your rent. You didn't pay your rent. All those liquor cans and cigarettes in here. I see what you said. I'm talking. Anyway, shout out to Mr. Penn. When he come back, I know you guys gonna flood me with his videos. Hope sooner than later, you feel me? But keep on sending me the videos that we haven't done yet. We're gonna tap into them because some of them it's been a while and you guys haven't seen them. And we're gonna throw our little own spin to it. We're gonna do our little interaction. We're gonna find what we find. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna roast them, and we're gonna keep it pushing like Mr. Penn. Say, hey, officer of the court, here to make armed entry. Get your ass out. When I'm here, you don't ever live here. That's a fact, Jack. Anyway, I love y'all like y'all love me. Keep on tapping in. Keep on showing love. Keep on being supportive to people in the comment section. Shout out to all the new family members. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the family. Best community on YouTube. We just here have fun and laugh. That's it, baby. And we're going to continue to do that. Don't nobody come to motherfucker trying to jack our style either. Yeah, I'm out this bitch.